If you're using QGIS and still struggling to add base maps like OpenStreetMap, satellite imagery, or Esri layers, this video will fix that today. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add different base maps in QGIS in 2026 using the fastest and most reliable methods. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've been using QGIS professionally for many years, and one of the most common questions I still get is, what's the best way to add base maps in QGIS? In this video, I'll walk you through multiple proven methods, explain when to use each one, and share tips I use in real projects. Section 1. What are base maps and why they matter? Before we start clicking buttons, let's quickly understand what base maps are. A base map is the background layer that gives geographic context to your data, things like roads, buildings, satellite imagery, and terrain. A good base map makes your map easier to understand. A bad one can distract or even hide important information. Option 1. Using the available base maps under XYZ Tiles. When you open QGIS and look at the browser panel, you'll notice that some base maps are already listed under XYZ Tiles. Depending on your QGIS installation, these may include OpenStreetMap, Stamen Terrain, Stamen Toner, and other commonly used public base maps. To use any of these, simply double-click the base map and it will load instantly into your map canvas. Expert Tick. If you're doing quick analysis or just exploring data, these built-in base maps are often all you need. Option 2. Adding a custom XYZ tile connection. If the base map you want isn't listed, you can add your own. Right-click on XYZ Tiles, select New Connection, give it a name, and paste the URL. Example: OpenStreetMap, https://tile.openstreetmap.org/z/x/y.png. Click OK, then double-click the new base map to add it. Real-world workflow tip. In my professional workflow, I usually start with the built-in XYZ base maps and only add custom ones when I need a specific style or image resource. This keeps projects clean and easy to manage. Section 3. Using the Quick Map Services plugin. Beginner-friendly. If you're new to QGIS, this next method is perfect. Steps. Go to Plugins/Manage and Install Plugins. Search for Quick Map Services and install it. Once installed, open it from Web/Quick Map Services and you'll instantly see options. Personal insight. Even as an experienced user, I still use Quick Map Services for quick analysis and teaching sessions. Section 4. Adding satellite and Esri base maps. For high-detail projects like land use mapping or urban analysis, satellite imagery is essential. You can add Esri world imagery, topographic maps, and street maps using Quick Map services or XYZ Tiles. Performance tip. Satellite-based maps are heavy, so turn them off when editing to keep QGIS running smoothly. Section 5. Adding WMS and WMTS basemaps using OpenStreetMap WMS. Another professional and often overlooked way to add basemaps in QGIS is by using WMS and WMTS services. These services are especially useful when you want official, server-rendered basemaps that work well for reports and professional maps. Step 1. Finding an OpenStreetMap WMS service. First, open Google and search for OSM WMS. Click on the result called WMS/OpenStreetMap Wiki. Once the page opens, scroll down until you find the section called OSM WMS Servers. Under that section, click the TechRuzz link. Step 2. Copying the WMS base URL. On the TechRuzz page, you'll see the base URLs listed. For this example, I'll copy the color URL. Now, head back to QGIS. In the browser panel, right-click on WMS/WMTS, then choose New Connection. Give the connection a clear name, for example, WMS OSM Color. Paste the URL you copied into the URL field, then click OK. Once the connection is saved, double-click it to connect. You'll see a list of available layers. Select the Basemap layer and click Add. The OpenStreetMap WMS Basemap will now load into your map canvas. Expert tip from experience. I often use WMS basemaps when I need consistent styling, especially for reports or maps that must match official datasets. They may not be as fast as XYZ Tiles, but they are very reliable and cartographically clean. Now you know how to add different basemaps in QGIS in 2026 using XYZ Tiles, plugins, satellite imagery, WMS services. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.